Hi guys, this is the Happsters. Look, another day of cooking. I have scallops and of course my shrimp. Yes, or prawns, however you want to call it. So just a quick saute of this seafood medley today and we'll call it a day and it's dinner. So anyway, this is the Happsters, another day of cooking. Thanks for watching. Aloha. So first, of course, you put oil, EVOO, olive oil. And here we have the garlic, chopped garlic. So now the garlic is toasting. The rest, the shallots and green onions. There you go. It smells so good, you guys. Now I am adding my scallops. I love scallops. And a little bit of seasoning. I have all kinds of seasoning. All my seasonings are good for seafood and whatnot. So a mix of everything. You saute this a little bit, and I'm going to add my shrimp. Because you don't want to cook too long. The scallop and the shrimp cannot be cooked too long. So in goes my prawns. A little bit more of seasoning. I layer my seasoning. I like to layer my seasoning. There you go, and turn it up a little bit. Medium-high heat. Mix it all together. And a lemon, squeeze of lemon. Really good. Then maybe more, put some parsley, just parsley and thyme and all that. Mix it up. So there you go. Give it 5 minutes to before it's ready. You don't want to cook the shrimp and the scallops too long. Okay, there you go. This is my shrimp and scallop mixed together. This is actually great on top of a pasta. So yeah, less than 10 minutes with my spices mixed together. You don't want to cook it too long. So yes, this is the Happsters cooking shrimp and scallops. Easy flavors. There you have it. Thank you all for watching. Aloha. Love, love, love. And I put a little bit of paprika for color. And a little bit of lemon. There you go. And this is Happsters scallop and shrimp dish. Let's eat.